Good day, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I am Landon Shane Akuno, and I am discussing the 10 rules of Nitikin. Rule number 1. Remember the human. Ako ang nasabtanan kay treat others online with the same respect you would in person. So, ang example avoid using hurtful language or making personal attacks. So, mana siya. Rule number 2. Adhere to the same standards online. Ang pasabot kung sa English pa, the rules of good behavior apply online too. So, ang example kay don't share private information about others without their permission. So, dapat dili kita mag-share og kanang mga private nga unsa sa mga uban kanang tao nga wala ta naka unsa sila kapanagin. Rule number 3. Know where you are in cyberspace. So, ang buot pasabot di lang napabisayaon kanang English. Be aware of the context and tone of the online space you are in. Example, a casual chat with friends is different from a formal online forum. Number 4. Respect other people's time and bandwidth. Be mindful of how much information you share and keep your message concise. Example, don't send long rambling emails or spam people with irrelevant content. Rule number 5. Make yourself look good online. So, both ang pasabot kay presenta na mo imong sarili kanang professionally o kanang respetado ka. Ang example, use appropriate language and grammar in your online communications. Rule number 6. Share expert knowledge. If you have expertise in a specific area, share it in a help and informative way. Example, answer questions on forums, write blog posts, or participate in online discussion. Rule number 7. Keep flame wars under control. What pasabot, try to de-escalate heated discussions and promote respectful dialogue. Example, if you see someone being attacked, try to redirect the conversation to a more positive tone. Rule number 8. Respect others. Respect others.
Mag-play na ko.
Rule number 8. Respect other people's privacy. Don't share personal information about others without their consent. Example, don't post photos of someone without their permission. Number 9. Don't abuse your power. If you have authority or influence online, use it responsibly. Example, don't censor or silence opposing viewpoints. The 10th rule. Be forgiving of other people's mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes online. Be understanding and offer grace when appropriate. So, example, if someone makes a typo or says something insensitive, don't jump to conclusions. So, di kita mag-jump sa pinakaulahi.